Good morning. I have these clogged 3D printer nozzles, and I want to burn all of the PLA out of them and hopefully open them back up. So what I'm going to do, I'll put them in the vice grip. That's not a really tight fit, but it's going to hold it. When I look through this, there's no spot of light, so that is clogged. Either it's closed up or it's clogged. So I have my cheap Harbor Freight torch, $20. I got these 1 pound propane cylinders for jobs like this. I do have a hose that will adapt this into a 20-pound tank, but a 20-pound tank's a little awkward for something like this. So I went ahead and got these, and I can always fill these out of the 20-pound tank. And why I like this so well is it starts every time. I just want to heat this up. These are going to get very hot. They have a rubber grip, and I'm hoping it doesn't creep down on me. I've done this before and it hasn't. You're not superheating the nozzle. You're more burning off all the PLA. You don't want to superheat these. Okay, I'm pretty sure I got all the PLA out of that, and there is no spot of light. So my theory is that the tip of that gets smashed into the bed and closes up. Okay, it's not opening. If that isn't all burned off by now, it's not going to be. And the pliers are very hot when you do this, so you got to be careful. I can't see through it at all, so let's burn this one. The heat's starting to creep down that handle. I wouldn't necessarily say that one was clear, but it's starting to be clear. So the heat's starting to creep down that handle, so I'm going to take a little bit of a break. I'm probably going to burn up my pliers, and I'm okay with that. I can use it just for this, and it'll be fine. I've got 2 sets of these. 3 pieces cost $6.99. I can always go buy another set. I'm going to let all of this cool off. The heat was creeping down the pliers. I started to feel just a tiny bit of warmth in the handle, so I went ahead and stopped. And I got 2 more to do, so I'll do those and we'll see what happens. I'm going to go back at it again. If you remember earlier, I had 4 clogged nozzles. These are the 2 that I did last time. One of those came unclogged and one of them didn't. It's not, and these 2 just look like hell. This is the original one that came on it. Now, these are my burned up pliers. Big glob of PLA came out of that one. I have to be careful. I can actually get this hot enough to melt it, to form it. We'll let that one cool. Grab the next one. It doesn't look as bad. These things clog really fast. You gotta be careful putting the second one on there. Lay them pliers down. Okay, so I did 2 in the pliers, and I've got them both in this protection. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.